How to view Instagram profile picture. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can view Instagram profile picture. To view your Instagram profile picture is very simple. While using the application, the first step is to log in into your application. Then you would see different posts right on your Instagram account page. Then the next step is move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons such as home, search, posts, reels, and then you'll see your profile picture by the bottom right corner. You just click on it and then it will take you to your profiles page. On this page, you would see all of your posts and all of that, and then you also see your profile picture by the top left corner of the screen. All right, so that is it. This is how you can view your profile picture on Instagram. So thank you for watching and have a good day.